Tesla is officially now in India, but the challenges that the company faces are immense. One of those is the charging infrastructure. As per reports, Tesla is in talks with Indian conglomerate Tata Sons power generation unit, Tata Power, to set up charging infrastructure for electric vehicles in the country. Chinese smartphone manufacturer Vivo has confirmed that it will launch the Vivo X60, X60 Pro and X60 Pro Plus in the Indian market. The series runs on the Samsung Exynos 1080 chipset and offers RAM up to 12 GB. Facebook on Friday said it's launching a project that will automatically learn audio, textual and visual representations from public videos uploaded to the site. The social network says the project, called Learning from Videos, will help improve its core AI systems for uses like content recommendation and policy enforcement and will enable new applications. US tech giant Apple has decided to pull the plug on its original HomePod but will continue providing existing HomePods with software updates and support through AppleCare. However, the company will continue to sell the smaller version of the HomePod Mini. UK's National Cyber Security Centre said it estimated 7,000 servers had been affected by the flaw in the UK and only half had been secured. The announcement reveals the scale of the problem among UK companies for the first time since the global security flaw emerged last week. Music streaming service Spotify has now added support for 12 Indian languages for its mobile app. The Spotify mobile app has got support for 12 Indian languages including Bengali, Bhojpuri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Odia, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu and Urdu. According to a report by My Smart Price, citing industry sources, the Galaxy A52 could be priced at 26,499 rupees for the 6GB plus 128GB storage variant. On the other hand, the Galaxy A72 is expected to be offered in an 8GB plus 128GB storage configuration that may cost 34,999 rupees and 8GB plus 256GB storage variant that may cost 37,999 rupees. China's new Long March 7A rocket successfully launched its first orbital mission after its first attempt 1 year ago ended with a failure. When China attempted to launch the new Long March 7A rocket on its debut flight on March 16, 2020, almost exactly 1 year ago, an engine malfunction occurred shortly after first stage separation and the payload was lost. Tensions between Microsoft Corp and Alphabet-owned Google have been simmering for a while now. Google faces bipartisan complaints and journalistic ire over its role in gutting the media industry's advertisement revenue, the subject of a congressional antitrust hearing on Friday. Microsoft, meanwhile, faces scrutiny for its role in back-to-back cybersecurity breaches.